Hey, today we are finishing up rotations with this Marvel assignment. And so I wanted to do an example with you guys just so you could see how it works. Please note that you have to solve a problem and then find that character on a different slide. And then you're looking at the color of the answer, but like I said, I'll go through an example to show you what I mean. One important part here is no work equals no credit. I am taking this as a grade, so make sure that you put your work in here. Again, I'll show you what that looks like. So over here you have the slide with all the characters and then this colorful wheel. I'm just going to start with Captain America because he's first. So it says, what is the volume when you rotate the following figure about the line x equals 3? The first thing you're going to want to do is draw the line x equals 3. That is going to be right here. You may want to make this line a different color, that way it stands out. I'll make it red. Okay, so this is the line I'm rotating around. I'm rotating this rectangle around and around and around and around. So I do find it helps to draw it like we did yesterday. So I'm going to draw another rectangle on the other side of this line to represent it spinning around. And I'll do like we did yesterday where I make it all the same color because I just think that helps. There's blue. Another one. And then it's a little crooked, but that's okay. A vertical line. Not shooting for perfection here. Okay, so there's the other side of that rectangle if it gets rotated. And then remember, I told you it helps if you put the circle on it. That way you can see it a little bit better. We know that rotating a rectangle makes a cylinder. So there's one. I'm just going to hit Control Copy and Control V to make another one. Those are the keyboard shortcuts for copy and paste, in case you didn't know that. All right, so I now have drawn the cylinder that is created when I rotate this rectangle around the line x equals 3. So I do need to find the volume of the cylinder. I don't know if there's a text box here. Nope. So if you'll insert a text box, this little T with a box in it is text box. And this will be how you show your work. So remember, volume of a cylinder is pi. I'm just going to type pi. Times r squared. To get squared, you can hit Control, hold down Control and hit period, and you'll get that. And then if you hit Control period again, it goes back to normal sides. So pi r squared times h is how you get the volume of a cylinder. So let's fill in what I know. If I do pi times, I need to count my radius. Radius is from here to the outside. That would be 1, 2, 3 blocks. So 3 squared. Remember, Control period. Times, I need the height of my cylinder. So just count from bottom to top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So times 6. And I'm going to put that in my calculator real quick. Pi times 3 squared times 6. Gives me 169.65. So this is the volume of the cylinder. Now I'm on the Captain America slide, so what you want to do is you actually want to scroll through these over here, and notice there's a big number in color at the top. So I'm going to scroll until I find 169.65, which is here. See, it's red. So what that means is Captain America goes on the red spot. So up here, I'm going to drag Captain America into the red one. Now, because I jumped to the red one, this is the problem I'm going to do next. I'm going to do the Doctor Strange problem. And then whatever color Doctor Strange's answer is, let's pretend, I don't know if it is, I'm just going to pretend. Let's pretend Doctor Strange's answer was purple. Then I would drag Doctor Strange to purple. I don't know if that's true. Don't do that. Like, actually work the problem out. So you're actually jumping around these slides. You're not going in order. you are going to follow them. I don't know why that's there. Get rid of that. You're actually going to be jumping around trying to figure out what character belongs to what color. So the answer to Captain America was red, which is why he went in red. So whatever color the answer to Doctor Strange is, that's where he goes. The answer to Thor, whatever color that is where he goes. So you're just trying to fill out the pinwheel. So I have done one of them for you. That leaves, I don't know, about 10 for you to do. I do recommend when you get to Hulk and Spider-Man, they are on, you don't have the graph here. So I did put a hint down here. It says hint, put the points in Desmos so you can see the figure. If you go to Desmos and in the first line type this ordered pair, start a new line, type this one, and start a new line and type this one, you'll get the 3 dots and then you can see the figure. So for the ones that don't have a graph, use Desmos. That's pretty helpful. Or if you wanted to do it by hand, you could grab a piece of graph paper from the resource table. Whatever works for you. But that is Marvel rotations. So I'll let you guys get to work. Have a good day.